Find out the facing time to face at one end of 28 mm steel rod, cutting speed 28 meter per minute and cross feed 0.2 mm per revolution. The operation is facing round bar, diameter 28 mm, so data diameter is equal to 28 mm, so 2.8 centimeter. Cutting speed S is equal to 28 meter per minute. Then cross feed F is equal to 0.2 mm per revolution, but we need in centimeter, so 0.02 centimeter per revolution. In the facing and the turning time calculation, we need the diameter in centimeter, cutting speed in meter per minute, and the feed in centimeter per revolution. So if your data in the other format, so first convert this all data in this unit. Now calculate the RPM. N is equal to 100 S upon pi d. So 100 into 28 upon pi into d 2.8. So N is equal to 318.309 RPM. Now calculate the facing time. So facing time F is equal to L upon Fn. But here the length we take, so for the facing operation, for the facing operation, L is equal to D by 2. So L is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So T is equal to L upon Fn, L 1.4 upon feed 0.02 into RPM 318.309. So cutting time T is equal to 0.219 minute. The operation facing data diameter so 3 centimeter, cutting speed as 30 meter per minute, and the feed 0.2 mm per revolution, so 0.02 cm per revolution. N is equal to 100 S upon pi d, 100 S 30 pi into 3 is equal to 318.309 RPM. For the facing operation, L is equal to D by 2, so 1.5 centimeter. So T is equal to L upon Fn, 1.5 upon 0.02 into 318.309. So the answer is 0.235 minute. Estimate the time required to drill 4 hole in CI flange from the following data: hole length 20 mm, hole diameter 12 mm, cutting speed 15 meter per minute, and feed 0.2 mm per revolution. See here the drill operation, the number of holes 4, the hole length 20 mm, diameter 12 mm, then the cutting speed as 15 meter per minute, feed 0.2 mm per revolution. The flange need 4 hole, each full diameter 12 mm, length 20 mm. Write down the data. Number of hole is equal to 4. Length L is equal to 20 mm. So 2 centimeter. Diameter 12 mm. 1.2 centimeter. Cutting speed as 15 meter per minute, and feed F 0.2 mm per revolution is equal to 0.02 centimeter per revolution. The spindle RPM N is equal to 100s upon pi d, 100 into 15 upon pi into 1.2 is equal to 397.88 RPM. Then the cutting time T, time for 4 hole. So T is equal to 4 into L upon Fn. So 4 into L, 2 centimeter, upon F, 0.02 into N, 397.88 is equal to 1.005. So 1 minute. Make 6 hole, 1 centimeter depth, hole diameter 1.5 centimeter, the cutting speed 20 meter per minute, and the feed 0.02 centimeter. Write down the data. Number of hole is equal to 6. L is equal to depth. So 1 centimeter. See, here the unit in centimeter, so no need to change. The diameter 1.5 centimeter. The cutting speed 20 meter per minute. And the feed 0.02 centimeter per revolution. Calculate the first. Spindle RPM N is equal to 100 S upon pi d. So 100 into S, 20 upon pi into 1.5 is equal to 424.41 RPM. The cutting time T, but here time for 6 holes. So T is equal to 6 L upon Fn. 6 into L 1 centimeter upon F 0.02 into RPM 424.41. So time is equal to 0.7068 minute. First we solve the drill operation right side example. Estimate the time required for drill 4 hole 1 centimeter diameter, hole depth 2 centimeter, the cutting speed the 15 meter per minute and the feed 0.01 centimeter per revolution. So data is equal to data number of hole is equal to 4, diameter 1 centimeter, depth L is equal to 2 centimeter, cutting speed S is equal to 15 meter per minute and feed F is equal to 0.01 centimeter per revolution. The N is equal to 100 S upon pi d is equal to 477.46 RPM and the time for the 4 hole, that 4 into L upon Fn is equal to 1.6 minute. Estimate the milling time to cut 50 teeth. The number of teeth 50 we produce. The gear blank thickness 100 mm thickness. So 100 mm thickness we called as L and the number of teeth N. The feed is 35 mm per minute. This feed F and the assume overall setup time. Setup time we called as TS. Okay. So first write down the data. The number of teeth N is equal to 50. Here the number of teeth is same as the word number of indexing. If you read any word like the indexing, you don't confuse. Number of indexing is same as the number of teeth. So number of teeth N is equal to 50 and the number of indexing is equal to number of teeth. So it is the 50. L is equal to 100 mm. Feed F is equal to 35 mm per minute. Setup time TS is equal to 10 minutes. Now assume here in the milling operation we need approach and overrun. In the milling operation we need approach and the overrun. So assume the total time approach plus overrun is equal to 10 mm. The total length is the approach length and the overrun length A plus O is equal to 10 mm. Assume the approach and the overrun length is 10 mm. Now we write down here the equation about the milling time. So milling time T is equal to length of cut plus approach plus overrun, means the total length of cut plus approach plus overrun total length upon feed into number of indexing bracket close plus the setup time TS. See, L is equal to 100 mm, A plus O is equal to 10 mm, A plus O mix is equal to 10 mm, feed is equal to 35 mm per minute, number of indexing is 50 and the setup time is 10 minutes. Don't confuse dear, આપણે અહીંયા કોઈ યુનિટ બદલતા નથી. કેમ? કારણ કે આપણે અહીંયા આરપીએમ શોધવાનો નથી. આપણે અહીંયા આરપીએમ નથી શોધવાનું. આપણે ખાલી આન્સર જોઈએ છે મિનિટમાં. ઓકે, સો આપણા આરપીએમ જે આવે છે L/FN ટાઈમમાં, તો એના મિલિંગ માટે નંબર ઓફ ઇન્ડેક્સિંગ ડાયરેક્ટ લેવાનું છે. 100 plus A plus O is equal to 10 mm. We assume that 10 upon feed, so 35 mm into the number of indexing, the number of teeth 50 bracket close plus TS 10 minutes. So this time 167.14 minute